Hi everyone, this is JB and we're going to work on his bumpy brain. So his little bumpy speech, and we'll see what we can do. Okay. So, JB has never had kinesiology before, so I'm just going to go through some basics. Hold the arm up, don't let me push down. Hold up, perfect. Hold up, nice and strong, 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 strong. Now all I'm going to do is a bit of a party trick and see what happens, okay? Hold up nice and strong, really strong. Oh, whooshka. Hold up nice and strong. Whooshka. Now we got to turn you back on again. So we switched off the central meridian. We'll switch it back on. And again. Hold up for me. And hold up. Beautiful. High five. Good job. Okay. So what I'm going to do is check a few little areas in the brain and see if they're working okay. So the first little area is called, well, it's called the hippocampus, but it's about your memory. So we'll go have a look at it. So I'm going to go boom, 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 So hold, now this time, hold your arm out nice and don't let me pull into the middle, okay? Hold out, perfect. Hold out, don't let me pull into the middle. Now together, hold out. Oh my goodness. So that says the left one worked, the right one worked, but together, hold out. They don't work. So, we need to switch them back on again. So this just helps to calm down some stress in the brain and make it work better. Sound like a good plan? Yeah. So how old are you, JB?
5.
5. Practically a grown-up. Okay. So let's go have a look. And again. Hold out for me. Perfect. Now, the main thing that makes that area of the brain not work is stress when you think you're not going to get something right. So when you think, do I know this or don't I? So it's called fear of failure. So let's just go have a look. And hold out nice and strong. Ah, whooshka. Did you feel that? I know, it was strong and then it wasn't. So this is called kinesiology. Can you say that? Kinesiology, that's it. Nice one. With a knees. Sort of like I always joke, you know, because knees are spelt with a K-N. So I always joke that they're called knees. But that's just a silly thing. Okay, let's go have a look. Fear of failure. Hold out. Oh, perfect. And the other thing that stresses out the brain is worrying that if you get it right, are you always going to have to get it right? That's weird, eh? So just say you did really well at, what's hard at school at the moment?
Doing a S, drawing a S.
Drawing an S. Oh my goodness. Do you do it backwards sometimes?
I know one time I did it upside down.
Upside down? That's craziness. Okay, so let's just check in relation to getting it right. And again, hold out nice and strong. Oh, actually, did you feel that? This side, your creative brain is happy. It doesn't care that you did the S upside down. But this side's the logical brain. It went kerplunkus. Did you feel that? You had too much wine at dinner. Okay. So, I just need to do these little spots again. Okay. You relaxed?
No.
Really? Nearly? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. We might leave the amygdala for a sec. I want to check these little areas along here. So let's have a look. I'm going to go this little guy, this little guy, this little guy. No, arms straight. That's it. Hold out. Oh my goodness. That's the brokers area. Brokers is to do with the words that come out of your mouth. So the left side is the logical stuff. It's sort of like, what are the words I'm going to say? What do I want to say? And the right side is about how you say it. You are doing so well. Am I tickling you? Let's see if we've done enough. Shall we see if we've done enough? And again, you ready? You ready?
Another minute, Joe.
You ready? Another minute.
Another minute of
Hold
sitting
out,
still.
nice and strong. Hold out. Perfect. And we'll quickly do the Wernicke's.
From on the floor.
Yeah. And hold out nice and strong. Hold out, sweetie. I know. You ready?
No.
Have you had enough? Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That's why I can't.
Did you want to have another go, JB?
Yeah, that's have.
Do you want to have another go?
You need to sit a bit more still though if Madonna wants to do this.
You
Can
ready?
you sit still for a couple more minutes?
So where I'm going is this one. And again. Hold out. So Wernicke's is the thoughts behind the words from this perspective in leap. So now I need to diffuse it. Oh, good job. It's weird, eh? What do you think? Good? Hiccup. Okay. So let's have another look. So in relation to your Wernicke's points. And again, hold out. Oh, beautiful. Now I want to see if your broker's points are talking to your Wernicke's points, okay? So, hold out nice and strong. Oh, whooshka! So the thoughts and the words don't communicate as quickly as they could.
I'm not quick as my turtles. My turtles are very quick because they can get to anything in 1 minute.
What, Ken?
It's turtles. They can get anywhere
It's
in 1 minute.
turtles. Oh my goodness! Are they super turtles?
In 1 minute.
1 minute. Are they the speediest turtles in the world?
They have a big flight. Yeah.
Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. Nearly there, nearly there. Nearly there, nearly there. Okay, you ready? I know you're tired, darling. Let's do this, and this, and this. And again, hold out nice and strong. Perfect. High five. Good job. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.